First, sort your clothes. First, sort your clothes. Separate white from colors. Separate white from colors. Check all your pockets. Check all your pockets. Empty everything inside them. Empty everything inside them. Put clothes in washer. Put clothes in washer. Do not overload it. Do not overload it. Add the laundry detergent. Add the laundry detergent. Use the right amount. Use the right amount. Add fabric softener now. Add fabric softener now. Close the door tightly. Close the door tightly. Choose the wash cycle. Choose the wash cycle. Select the water temperature. Select the water temperature. Press the start button. Press the start button. Wait for the cycle. Wait for the cycle. Take clothes out now. Take clothes out now. Check for any stains. Check for any stains. Put clothes in dryer. Put clothes in dryer. Set the drying time. Set the drying time. Or hang them outside. Or hang them outside. Let them dry well. Let them dry well. Fold your clean clothes. Fold your clean clothes. Put them in drawers. Put them in drawers. Hang shirts in closet. Hang shirts in closet. Everything is ready now. Everything is ready now. Great job today, friend. Great job today, friend.